This old machine has seen many Republic Days with me. Its flag still flies strong for our India. चलो शुरू हो जाओ। बढ़िया, अब गांव की तरफ।